Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're working on a Maserati. This is a 2015, I think they pronounce it like Ghibli. It's an SQ4. And the way we're going to be, or what we're going to be doing is we have a blend door actuator we need to do for this. I'm going to show you how to do it. Just take your time. If this is your personal car, take your time. If a customer's car, really take your time. Costs for few hours to do this. It's more torque spits and pop clips, but first of all, I'm in the seat, push it all the way back as far as you can, because you'll have to drop the glove box and paneling and stuff is inside of here. But first thing you want to do is get your pop clip tool, slide it in, gently pry out on this side piece. And you got some Velcro, and that is that little piece. I'm gonna set it down because you will have to get a lot of this stuff out, and then you will have to pull this side cover also. Just like that, and then you will have like a little torque spit right there that pulls this little side piece off. Set that, and then inside, one of the covers is off already in here, but inside, I'm gonna move some of this so we don't show personal information. But then you're gonna take the glove box out and take all of this stuff right here out as well. But let me get you situated so we can kind of show you how we got to do this. Next, we took this undercarriage out. To take it out, it's pretty simple. There's a connector right here. Let's get that disconnected first. And then I'll show it to you. But you have 3 bolts. One right here, one in the middle, one over there. And then on the very back of it, I don't know how well y'all can see that, there's 2 holes. You have these little plastic screw pieces you have to take out, and then you can take that bottom piece out, set it over there so nothing gets damaged. And now we can start pulling the glove box out. I'm going to do this in sections. It's my first time doing one of these, so I'm referring to the work instructions a little bit at a time in between, and I'm going to show y'all how to pull it off after I get it off, just so I can show y'all everything and make sure that I'm doing it right. So you have to stick with me for a little bit and I can show you exactly where everything is. This piece right here comes out. There's 2 torque spits up here, and they are very small. They're T15s. And they're right on the top. There's one right here and one right there. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab it, pull. Just be careful, don't break it. And now that we're right here, we can get in and take, there's a couple screws on the top, and then there's a couple on the back. And when you do that, you can take this section, whole section out right here, according to service data. Like I said, we'll have to see if that's how it works, but I'm guessing service data is correct because I'm getting it directly from Maserati. So if I'm doing this wrong, y'all let me know in the comment section. Like I said, this is my first time ever working on this car right here. All right, here's the glove box out, and you have screw here, here. There's a big one right there. When you open it up, I have to open it up for y'all. See the 2 big holes on the back, one right there, one right there, and then up on top, there's one here, here, and right there. And then that one right there just kind of pops into a little clip area. Then on the back, you'll have a connector here. That one's blue, this one's black. Then a little clip pin holds it on right there. Now, just so you know, right here, that one is hidden. pull the trim, the door seal back a little bit, this bottom piece will actually pull straight out, and it is right there behind it. All of mine are Torx bits. The big one was T30s. All the big ones are T30s. All the little ones are T15s. And then there's 2 T20s so far. And then now that we got that out, the actuator's up in there. You see it up in there? That's what we're after. This one right here is not working. So you have the little gold screw right there, and then there's one up on the other side. It's gonna be hard for me to show you this, but we're gonna take this out. Let me stand up. We're gonna take this out. Ow, I don't hit myself with the door. Make sure this is the exact same part as the one that we're changing. The only place I could get this was Maserati. So we're going to look it over, make sure this is the exact same thing, and then if it is, I will bring you back and give you part number. Is the exact same one. Here's your part number right there, 673005493. And all of the actuators are the exact same, so you can just get one and it works for all of them. So I'm going to get in there and go ahead and remove this, and if I come up with any issues, I will let y'all know. But there is a safety clip. It goes in this way, connector facing towards front of the car. This is for the right hand side, the passenger side if you're US, but this is for the right hand side. All right, so got it out, and I always take them apart to see what's broken. And I don't know how well y'all can see, but that is cracked. Like, very, very much so. You can see that? Like, it's about to fall off. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, that was the reason this one wasn't working correctly. And I always take them apart just to see what fails on them. And typically on these blend door motors, it's normally this white gear, but I have seen that little one right there. They just come out. I've seen where the teeth have been stripped off of those before. But this is culprit of that one. You can see just broke right off. So now we're going to go ahead and start reinstalling everything. And you just put it in and line it all up, and it should be good to go. Like I said, I got the new one. Goes in just like this, facing that way. And you can see up in there, there is a hole. Just line up. There's only 2 screws, one right there, one below the little plus sign piece right there at my thumb. And that's it. So we're gonna put this in, tighten it down. Here are the screws. They were T20s. I had to use like a little short piece. I couldn't find my T20 short, so I had to improvise. Just got a 1/4 inch socket with a little T20 drive bit and stuck it in there. And then use a little 1/4 inch ratchet to get it out. So let me put it back together. This was the 2 connectors that was on the back side of it. Blue and that, and then this snapped in. I know bright on the light, but that just snapped in on the little clip piece. Alright, I know y'all really can't see much because it's a little dark, but it is all back together now. Got it cleaned up. Now all we have to do is just go and crank it up, make sure that it works. Pretty sure it's going to, just because ain't no way that was working. But this is pretty much a job done, complete. I just got to test it, make sure everything's good. I'm not going to do that on camera. No need to. But if y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, this is the car. Let me know if y'all know, if y'all are like a Maserati tech or work on them or something. Let me know if I did something wrong, if I took something off I didn't need to, or a little bit quicker way, because this is a customer's car. It's the first time I've worked on it, and we will be doing all the maintenance and stuff on this as well. So, and I do pay for all the programs and everything to do it, and let me tell you, it's not cheap. But like I said, this is a job done. If you got anything, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, comment section below, whatever. I'll get to you as soon as possible. And y'all know what I always say, talk this tight. Y'all have a great day.